Okay guys, so you're welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to create account on Tumblr dating app. So they get started. Now you're going to open up your app. Once you have downloaded it on your Play Store for Android and for iPhone user, you can go to your App Store and go and download Tumblr. You can see welcome to the corner of an internet. Now you have two methods. Is you're going to log in with your Google or you with your email. So I'm going to use with Google. So I'm going to click on continue with your Google to sign in or to sign up. So I'm going to click on continue to sign up, and let's create our account on Tumblr very easily. Now you have to choose an account you want to use. So I'm going to choose an Google account. So after that, wait for it. It's going to take a little seconds before it started doing. I think it started. Okay, so you have to fill all this. You have to fill all this. You have to fill all this. I'm just going to put something there. Click on next. Now you need to use what username you want to use. Just put any username. Click on next. You can see beat you to that name. So I'm going to add some number so that I'll be able to. Okay, I think this should be good. Click on next. Someone has beat me, so I'm going to use another one. 1992. Okay, I think that one has gone. So what are you into? What are you into? Follow tags and topic you want. So I'm going to click on something here. Not washing. Let me click on follow all. Okay, click on follow all and click on next. Once you are done, click on next. Let's wait for it. We are creating our account on Tumblr. Now find your people. You can see, so you can just follow all this one. You can just have to follow at least 3. So I'm going to follow 3 people. Let's see. These are the popular. Just follow 3 to be able to. Okay, and click on next once you are done. And this is it. You have successfully created your Tumblr very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.